Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something very important for anyone who wants to start building a career in artificial intelligence but is not sure where to begin. One of the biggest challenges many learners face today is understanding how to move from basic programming knowledge into real AI development. Many people hear about machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning systems, but they often do not know what skills are actually required to get started, or how these technologies connect with practical programming tools. This is exactly why learning AI programming using Python has become one of the most valuable entry points into the field of artificial intelligence. Python is widely used in AI development because it supports powerful libraries for data analysis, visualization, and neural network implementation. Professionals who understand Python-based AI workflows can work on machine learning projects, automation systems, computer vision tasks, and modern intelligent software applications. To help learners build these essential skills, there is a structured learning program called the AI Programming with Python Nanodegree Program, available from Udacity. This program is designed especially for beginners who want to enter the field of artificial intelligence using practical programming methods instead of only theoretical explanations. One of the strongest parts of this nano degree is that it teaches Python programming foundations in a way that directly supports AI development. Learners begin by understanding core Python concepts, and then move toward working with important libraries like NumPy for numerical computation and pandas for handling structured data efficiently. The program also introduces data visualization techniques using Matplotlib, which helps learners understand how to explore and interpret datasets visually before building machine learning models. Another important learning component of this program is working with PyTorch, one of the most popular deep learning frameworks used for building neural network architectures. Learners gain hands-on experience creating image classification models and understanding how neural networks process information. The program also includes practical project-based learning, where students apply their knowledge to real-world AI tasks. These projects help learners build confidence and develop portfolio-ready experience that can support career opportunities in artificial poised plane playground, intelligence, and machine learning roles. This makes the program especially valuable for beginners, engineering students, programmers, and technical professionals who want to transition into AI development using Python as their foundation language. Even learners from non-computer science backgrounds who are comfortable with basic programming can benefit from this structured pathway into artificial intelligence. If you want to explore this nano degree program in detail, you can find the link in the description to get this course from the website in the description. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in the another video.